Hi guys, you heard it right. Some function is not working properly. But why? Or in which situations? Let's understand this. So we have a table over here in which we have region, salesperson, products, unit sold, unit price, total. Let's see what sum do we get over this. Selecting the range over here, hit enter, and we are getting the correct total, which is 661.18. But when we apply filter through data tab, let's see if our sum gets filtered or not. Right now I am putting filter in the salesperson for Alice. See, we are not getting the correct total. So what do we need to do in this situation? So let's try with the subtotal function. Okay, now since we need to find the sum, so let's choose the sum option over here, comma, selecting the range, hit enter. Okay, for subtotal we are getting 661.18. Let's try if it is working with filter data or not. Let's go to the salesperson and finding the sum for Alice. See, it is working properly. Let's try it for Emma. Awesome. Since we have only one entry, so in this we can see the subtotal is reflecting as 55.8, which is correct. So in this situation, what you need to understand is that sum works for the static data or for the data which is available in your worksheet, be it hidden or be it visible. But subtotal works only for the visible data. If any data is hidden, for example, here I am hiding all the data except notebook. So it will show the data or it will show the sum only for the notebook profile. Thank you.